In this video, we'll learn about three format functions: thousands, precision, and custom. These functions are available to use in EasySend's formula editor feature. They allow us to display formatted data on top of preview PDF and PDF email attachments. Before showing a usage example, let's first describe the functions starting with thousands. This function formats decimal thousands by adding separators. For example, after using the function, this number will be reformatted and displayed like this. Next, precision. This function formats a number to a given precision. For example, after using the function, this number will be reformatted and displayed like this. And finally, custom. This function formats text according to a specified format pattern. For example, after using the function, an insurance policy ID will be reformatted and displayed according to a standard policy convention. Okay, let's see how to use the functions. We have a simple web flow that contains two main pages. The first one has a grid with three text input components. The second has a preview component that will display a PDF. Let's navigate to the model. Here we have 6 data items. The first 3 are connected to the text input components. The last 3 are connected to text fields on a PDF we previously uploaded. We will configure the last 3 data items to display formatted data on the PDF. First, we'll click the data item named Format Thousands. To access the formula editor, we'll click the Value dropdown. Click Formula, and then Edit Formula. Inside the formula editor, we'll start typing Format. Notice that the list of functions is filtered, and we now have 6 matching results. Let's click Format Thousands to add the function to the editor. If we're not sure of how to use the function, we can click its name, hover, and click the question mark to open the Help section. Using the Help section, we can see that the function receives 2 variables. The first one, number to format, is a string type or number type variable. The second variable, separator style, is an optional string type variable. EasySend supports formatting in different languages, such as US English, German, or French. By default, this variable contains the value US. This means that the separator will be a comma. When this variable contains a value such as DE for German formatting, the separator changes accordingly. In our case, the first variable is the data item connected to the first text input, thousands. Let's delete separator style and leave it as the default, a comma. To finish, we'll click Apply. Perfect. Now let's use the second function, precision. We'll click the data item named Format Precision. To access the formula editor, we'll again click the Value dropdown. Click Formula, and then Edit Formula. Inside the formula editor, we'll start typing Format. This time we'll click Format Precision to add the function to the editor. In the Help section, we can see that the function receives 3 variables. The first one, number to format, is a string type or a number type variable. The second one, precision, is a number type variable. The third variable is fixed precision, is an optional Boolean type variable. In our case, the first variable is the data item connected to the second text input precision. Let's add the second variable and set the precision. Optionally, if needed, we'll add the Boolean value true in case we want to keep the precision fixed, meaning that in any case the number will appear with the set precision. Perfect. Now let's use the third function, custom. We'll click the data item, Format Custom, and access the formula editor. This time, we'll add the Format Custom function to the editor. In the Help section, we can see that the function receives 2 string type variables, text and format pattern. In our case, the first variable is the data item connected to the third text input, custom. Let's add the second variable and set our desired format pattern. We'll click Apply to finish. Great. Now let's see how the functions work. We'll deploy and preview the process. Using the first text field, let's input a number, 10,000. Using the second text field, let's enter the number 100.6000. And using the third text field, let's enter a combination of letters and digits. Now let's navigate to the PDF preview page. Perfect. We see that the data is formatted as required. Beside the functions we just demonstrated, EasySend also supports out-of-the-box formatting functions for Social Security Administration and tax identification number. That's it for now. Have any questions? Need assistance? Want to learn more? Please visit our Help Center or contact one of our teams.